Hey, Mike Callahan with a quick video answer for a question that was submitted. How to create an electronic signature in an estimate or a contract. This was particular to snow removal, but this would apply to pretty much any industry: lawn care, home cleaning, pest control. So the first thing we're going to do is dive into Service Autopilot and show you how to make this work. So first thing we're going to do is go into Service Autopilot under CRM settings, and we're going to go to estimate settings. We need to actually set the system up so it can accept an estimate signature. Right here, allow signature capture on my proposal. So that is what we're going to need right there. We're going to save those changes. Next thing we're going to do is going to go into a test client and create an estimate. So we're going to go in and select the test client, add an estimate. And I will show you this whole entire workflow, what this actually looks like, and how you create this process in the actual process. So I'm going to pull up the document editor as well and show you what it looks like in the estimate. So we're going to go into type description here, and I'm going to pull up an estimate document that we've already built and show you the functionality. So I'm going to go in with the simple growth estimate template that is free on the marketplace right now. It's usually the first one that pops up, but this is the actual estimate template here. It's here for you basically to edit and create however you want. So once this loads, I'll show you how to add the actual signature line and get that in there. So once again, this is free off the Service Autopilot marketplace under the home icon marketplace. You can download this in your app. So when we scroll to the bottom here, this is literally what it is. So I'm going to delete it out and show you where it is. So we're going to go in, hit merge tags, and Command F and search for signature. And signature line is added here. It adds this little bit of code, and then we're going to save it. Once we save that, now it's good to go. So we're going to go into that client, add an estimate, and pull up the estimate, and I'll show you a live version of what it actually looks like with the signature and the IP address being captured. So it's pretty slick how this actually works. So we're going to wait for this to load, and we're going to pull up the template. Now that this is loaded here, we're going to go in and grab a template. In this example, I'm just going to do a lawn mowing estimate. Pull that up, and I'm going to select the correct document that we just updated in the estimate document, so you can see the same exact example. We're going to quote that to 1, and we're going to do drive the on-site time at $40 and drive time for that property at $4.17. Quote should be $44.17. We are going to save that, scroll back up and email it back out to my personal email, and I'll pull up the email so you can actually see what that looks like then. If you're not using the pre-built workflow where you're connecting the email document or the email document for the estimate and the estimate document, I would recommend that for best workflow and practice as well. So here's the default email that came out, nothing fancy. We're going to hit send, and I'm going to log into my email in a minute here and pull that up for you. All right, now that we're back in my email, this was just sent out. We're going to click here to view my proposal. And we're going to accept the lawn mowing estimate here by checking on this box. Scrolling to the bottom, click here to sign estimate. We can literally use our mouse, hit save, and the customer can print in their name. Accept proposal. And once that is accepted, we're going to get a notification in Service Autopilot, as well as that documented on the client screen. So we're going to go back into our test account, close that out, and refresh. And the estimate was automatically closed out, and we have record of that. Once we click into that one estimate, we've got signature information, my name, the IP address, and the date I signed. So we have the information right there. So if you are doing something like a contract for snow removal, you want to guard yourself from slip and fall liability, this would be the best way to do it. We've used it in court, and it holds up perfectly. So any comments or questions, drop them below. But this is how you add a email signature line with the information that's kept on the actual estimate itself.